this video, I am going to discuss about Michael addition reactions. Michael addition reaction is the 1,4 addition of active methylene compound, and it is also, we can say in this way, that it is a conjugate addition of enolate ion to alpha beta unsaturated carbonate compound. And this reaction is going to take place in the presence of base. So have a look. In the reaction, we take the two reactant. First one is malonic ester. Malonic ester has the active methylene group. This is an active methylene group. So this active methylene group has the active hydrogen, and this active hydrogen, we can see the active hydrogen is present here, and this active hydrogen is responsible for the generation of the stable enolate ion. And second reactant is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. This is alpha position and this one is beta position. In between alpha and beta there is a double bond. So this compound name is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. And this base is act as a catalyst. And finally we get the Michael addition product. And as we know, this active methylene group is a Michael donor. And this one is Michael acceptor. So just we discuss about the its mechanism part. Mechanism part, we can see it is in the first stage there is a formation of nucleophile. Actually, in malonic ester there is a active hydrogen is present. This active hydrogen will be abstracted by the base. This base will abstract this active proton, and this bond will shift here. Bond will shift to carbon, and we get the negative charge on the carbon, and it will become the nucleophile. And further in the second case, this is a nucleophile, and this will attack at the fourth position of the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, and this double bond will shift here, and this will here. So in this case, we get the enolate ion. CH. This enolate ion will be stabilized by, actually this will be stabilized. This negative charge will goes here, and this double bond will shift to carbon, and we get the negative charge on the carbon. So in this way, the negative charge we are getting at the carbon position. So this negative charge will abstract the proton from some other, so this will abstract the proton from the so now this will abstract the proton H plus, and we get the, finally we get Michael adduct, Michael addition product. So this will we get this one. Alright, and we have to also know that in the mechanism there is some Michael addition reaction. So we have to also know that how the reaction is going through the Michael addition reaction. So first of all, the first criteria is that we have to know that there is Michael acceptor and Michael donor are present or not. So first of all, we have to know this thing. So let me give you example of the Michael donor and the Michael acceptor. So these are the examples of the Michael donor and Michael acceptor. The criteria for the Michael donor present in this case also, in this case also, here also, and this in this case also. It means because of presence of this carbonyl group. Okay, so this is a active methylene, and in this case this is also carbonyl. This is a CN, and this is NO2 group. Means electron withdrawing group must be present. So we get the active methylene group. Active methylene hydrogen we can get, and due to that active methylene hydrogen we get the stable enolate ion. And this Michael acceptor, these are the examples of the Michael acceptor. Okay, alright, because these are the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, or it may be CN also. In place of the carbonyl we take the CN also. So this is a one question. In this question we have to know that which is Michael donor, which is Michael acceptor part. So we have to just check that which in both the compound which has the active methylene group. So in this case we can see that here active methylene group is present. So in this case we get the enolate ion, and this enolate ion is going to attack at the 1,4 position, 4th position, and this triple bond will shift here, and this carbonyl bond it shift to the carbon, and we get the enolate ion in this way. Double bond CO negative. So as we know that it is resonance stabilized, further the negative charge will come here. So this negative charge, what it will give? It will take the hydrogen and it will form the Michael product. So in Michael product what we will get, let me write, CH double bond CHC. So this is a Michael product. Alright? Yes. Let me recall all the things that in the Michael reaction we have to know that two criteria is important. First one is Michael acceptor, Michael donor, and second one is base. So in the presence of base, active methylene group will generate the nucleophile, and that nucleophile is going to attack at this alpha beta unsaturated compound. So that's all for today, and for the next video I will come with some new name reactions. Till then, be happy, spread happiness. Thank